YouTube? I'm Gaio. Welcome to my channel. If you like what you see, don't forget to push like and subscribe. Today we will be working on something different. Today we will be making a new tank stand for a new tank. Check out what we got. It's just a small glimpse of what we will be working on. Just have some water in it right now, making sure it has no leaks, rinsing off the boat, rinsing off the sponge filter. Still got some cleaning to do, but alright, got some wood cut out for my frame. I'm gonna sand these down and put them together, and then I'll cut some more support beams and put it, we'll see where it goes. Alright, after getting the frame put together, got the legs. Now that I had to flip it over. This is where we at now. Gotta take a break. We'll finish up tomorrow. Stay tuned for part 2. Don't forget to push thumbs up, like, subscribe. Stay tuned.